my hair. Good morning! It's our first full day in Prague. Molly's just walking around with her Biscoff cracker. So today we woke up reasonably early. Not too bad. The curtains were really good and blocked out all the light, and the bed was really comfy. So it was a serious effort to get out of bed this morning. But we're up, we're just about ready to go. We're probably going to go get coffees this morning, maybe go to the shops because we both need some flat boots because heels are just not happening. And then we're going to go do like a bit of a walking tour, like a self-guided walking tour around Prague, around the city. The Airbnb lady showed us exactly where to go and what to do and which way to do it, so we're probably going to just go do that, and then tomorrow we'll see what we liked today and we'll go do that tomorrow. But this morning I'm just going to have some of those rice crackers and vegan cream cheese for breakfast, which was actually like pretty good, although it is out of date, and we bought it out of date, which is very disappointing, but oh well.
It smells bad. Yeah,
it smells fine. Oh, the Biscoff actually looks quite good.
It's so nice.
Maybe I'll have Biscoff.
It's really good.
Oh, it looks good. We're eating so much sweet. Okay. I'm going to sign out now, and I'll probably sign back in just before we go. Bye. So we are ready to go. I have glasses on. No, I don't need glasses, but they are an accessory that I need if I can't wear my boots. So we're going for glasses, leather jacket, bodysuit, heat tech top, jeans with leggings, and then just Converse. And we're going to go explore and get some coffees. Potentially my vlogs will be quite short in Prague because I'm too scared to get my camera out. But we are just walking through a little... Oh, it looks like there's a bunch of stores up here. A little like shopping mall thingy. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I know it'll be expensive.
It's so pretty.
I'll let you think.
So we're just looking for some flat boots, and then we're heading towards a restaurant. We have no idea where we're going, so it might be a bit of a short vlog, but if anything, it'll just be a building montage because the buildings are gorgeous.
You should get Ryan that outfit.
He would rock that outfit.
It's not that one. This could be ours.
Literally.
Not you.
Yeah. That's us. So yes.
I'm curious how much that goes.
And we're trying to find an ATM that we trust. We're just so like, so skeptical of everything. Okay, we'll check in if we find something. It's so funny. We are just in Mango and everything is better here. Like their style, they must just have way better buyers because even the same stores that we have at home, they have the most gorgeous stuff here. I have no idea. And the buildings are all like old, like heritage looking, gorgeous buildings. Is it? This is amazing. So we are in Matria and it looks really nice. It's quite like Buddhist inspired, I think. So we just got big pots of tea and we've ordered, what did we have? Water? Noodles. Peanut and so very excited for that. It's a little bit more pricey than the last place we went to, but I think because it's like a nice restaurant, it is going to be a little bit more pricey. But it was super easy to find, and then after this we're going to go do some more exploring. But I will let you know when the food comes out. But our teas are here, and look at these.
is so cute.
Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but
Here. And up
Oh, we
here.
went quite a way.
So then we went from here, that was that big archway,
Yeah.
to here.
Oh, and that's where the Hogwarts thing is.
So
that
this
we're
is
looking at.
Hogwarts, and this is something next to it, which I
So
don't
we
know if
should
we've
go have
seen
a
that.
look at that, yeah.
Unless that was that big church.
Maybe.
And we're currently on this street.
So we want to come down
Here.
to this bridge area.
I was
and see
thinking
the
we
castle.
go straight across
Yeah.
to here.
Yeah.
We see this, and then go down this way, see the bridge.
And then come back across that way.
Yeah, maybe see this,
And then
come back across the bridge.
sit back and relax, 'cause love is blinding. Oh, 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 oh.
We are in the Old Town Square, and how amazing are these buildings?
So gorgeous.
so gorgeous. Like, we're both just standing here like, what? Let's go look at that one.
Oh wow, yeah.
Or should we see what the street is like and then go?
Yeah.
Because I think the bridge is this way, like straight where we're going.
Right. So we can just wander around and then come back.
Yeah. So pretty.
Oh, 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 no. Oh, oh, no. It's a strange world we live in. 'Cause all we want is loving. Searching for things unspoken. But we can't hold this talking.
Sorry, went away.
This bridge is insane. And like, I don't know if you can see any of that. And then the big castle. And it is. And it does.
World we live in, all we want is loving, searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this talking. Ooh, 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 oh,
Wow. Actually, wow. That's pretty over that way.
Wow.
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 And just for me, that I call my own. Go. Beautiful. Yes, that's it. That's it. Okay, quick. I can't cartwheel. Alright, you good? You done? Stunning. Love that shot. Keep up, keep up.
Can someone explain to me the anatomy of this one? Because I don't really get it.
What's the purpose of
It's huge. I didn't realize they were that big. Look at her compared to them.
Yeah.
They're huge, they're huge, they're huge.
Numbnut. Hey. Hi. Hello. Okay, we'll just wait for that boat to go. Meanwhile, this is a nice view. Stunning. There's some birds. Nat hates birds. There's some selfie sticks going on. This is a nice view.
Burn your hands with the desire
of the future
it's selfless
in this battle.
and we're losing and searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding.
So we are walking up to the castle. We've done a couple of bridges, and we honestly just can't stop stopping to look at things because it's oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay.
Oh no. We can cross the road if you like.
Let's cross the road. We got a bit trapped behind people then. But
Oh my god.
it's insane. Like look at the arch behind us. Look at all of this.
We'll have a pretzel bread.
Okay, if we see a bakery,
Yeah.
we'll go in. Wow, like look what's in front of us right now.
But searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, cause love is blinding.
So we are trying to head up towards the castle. We have no idea if we're going in the right direction, but any hill we see, we just go up. So I feel like that sounds about right.
Many people walking up and down here.
Yeah.
There's a gingerbread museum, yes please.
Gingerbread museum. Oh yeah, we went into this gingerbread place, and oh, the smell. Sorry, small streets. The smell was insane. Like, so good. So now I want more gingerbread. It was so good. And I don't know if we're going the right way. And do you have anything else to say?
Where's the castle at?
This is just insanely beautiful. I can't, as someone who loves architecture, or even if you're not that into architecture, this is insanely beautiful. Like, why do we not build anything pretty anymore? This is insane.
Yum.
Is it good?
They're really nice, yeah.
So we've just popped into a little restaurant. Molly's got a mulled wine just so that she can go to the toilet basically. And I'm about to try it and I'm a little bit nervous. Is it like very winey?
Try it. It's winey, but it's winey. It's strong, but it's good. I really like it. Have another slice. You'll get more of the slices. Your face. Every time you try something, you're so like cautious of it.
I just think about it. I like it better than red wine.
Yeah.
And it's very comforting.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I'd buy it.
Fair. I would. I do.
It's a string.
I love Prague so much.
So pretty.
This is the most beautiful place I've ever been.
Yeah. Yeah.
In my
100%.
entire life. Like, insanely beautiful. Like, look at this.
All we want is loving, searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this talking.
So we made it to the castle. And it's kind of on like this big grounds, and there was something happening outside that we have no idea what it was. But we had to get our bags checked and everything, and there's like military people like walking around, security everywhere, which is a little bit terrifying, but the building itself is insane. So we're just walking around the actual grounds of it now, I guess. It's, oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
Put it all in.
There's going to be so many panning shots in this video, but what? I always find it so funny when tourists take photos with iPads and big tablets.
Oh yeah.
I've seen so many.
It just seems like a really big pain to
I
carry.
know. It's like, isn't that so hard? And like the photos of it, like sure, like iPads can take nice photos,
But it's
like,
not worth carrying a massive.
and it's as expensive as a camera. Just buy a camera, a tiny camera, and take it with you. Like, I'm sure your photos will be better. I don't understand. It's so funny. And it's huge, and like if someone could so easily steal it because it's that big. You've got to be careful of it smashing all day. Just don't understand.
Stick to the trail. No, don't.
On the road again. Wait to get on the road again. Say what we should. On the road again.
Off the path, going in a circle, lost, no going
went to Vegan Land again and we got sushi, which I'm so excited about. I haven't had sushi in so long. It's like my all-time favorite food. So I'll show you, and I also got some fries.
Oh, I could eat one of them.
Yum,
Should I?
yum, and chips are in there.
Dude, I really just want to eat one of these.
Do it.
I'm about to eat sushi.
Do it. So we're gonna eat that, and then I'm going to head to bed to probably do some editing. Tomorrow we've got a much more jam-packed day, so I hope today wasn't too montagey, but I will check back in tomorrow. Good night, guys. Bye.
Bye.